Professor, good afternoon. Myself, C.Madhan Babu. My CWID is 50323936. I'm here to present my term project on operation systems for this for summer one. So so my so let me share my screen to present my PPT. Um, So my project is microkernel based on operation systems. So coming to the introduction is the introduction about the kernel project is like an operation system is a piece of software that acts as a user interface for computer hardware. So a kernel is a critical component of an operating system that handles system resources. It's linked between it's links between computer software and hardware. It is one of the first programs that after the boost loading. We have five types of kernels. First one is monolithical kernel and microkernel and hybrid and nano kernel and exon kernel. So coming to the microkernel based on operating systems, like microkernel is a smallest piece of software that may provide the machine required to create an operating systems. Low level address space management, threadable management, and inter-progress communication or examples of methods. So the microkernel is one of the kernel classes. It handles all system resources since it's a kernel. However, with microkernel users and kernel servers and implementing in separate address region. Yes. Coming to the history of microkernel may be tracked based back to Danish computer pioneer per branch Asan time at Regular Centralen, where he headed software development effects for the RC4000 computer. Their effect results in development of RC4000 multi-programming system in 1960, and this was established in Poland by Zorkan Azonin Paul. And coming to the design of microkernel is it's a hardware system like application program, file system, device system, user model, and messages to this is the hardware blueprint. And coming to advantages of MBOS, MBOS is reliability, flexibility. Coming to the disadvantages of this performance, its lack of performance, complexity, more complexity, um, high resources usage, and expensive lot of price like to buy things. And QNX microkernel. QNX microkernel is real-time operating system primarily aimed at embedded systems industry. QNX was one of the first microkernel operating systems to be successful in business. Up to 2000, up to 2022, it was useful in many things like medical gadgets, program logics, and railways, robots, every major hardware systems. So the product was created in early 1980s by the Canadian business Quantum Software System, which was eventually renamed as QNX software system. And coming to the next slide. BlackBerry QNX is the industrial leader in vehicle safety certified embedded system. Many automobiles like Hyundai, BMW, Ford, Benz, and Toyota, Volkswagen. The BlackBerry QNX software for a wide range system that includes advanced driving assistance system, ADAS, and digital and secure for data gateways, which are becoming more common in automobiles. Furthermore, with the design wins with 2023 of the top 25 electric vehicle manufacturers and offering a safety. So the driver and the automatic driver vehicle system we used BlackBerry QNX is critical to for future of automobile industry. So coming to the design of QNX is shown in this diagram, like operating system QNX, like base things. These are the design of QNX. So key factors of QNX, the reliability of microkernel. Every program, a driver, protocol stack or file system is isolated in its own address space outside the kernel by QNS RTO microkernel. Failing components will not bring down other components or the kernel. It may be resumed protocol with minimum performance impact. Installing a new hardware or a drivers with confident that driver failures will not result system failure. When servers are processing fail, the high availability manager can undertake the multi stages recovery. Because of design, QNX OS for safety allows you to focus on what you rather than OS on which it is built. Real time is there are different things like real time um, networking resource manager, file system, scalability. So these are the things to things used in real time. Coming to the next slide, QNX Neutrilo real-time operation systems in the cloud. Software development terms are by hardware availability and wasteful methods. BlackBerry QNX address those issues by hosting the QNX Neutralo real-time operating system and QNX OS for safety. This implies that new develops may involve and cooperate on safety and non-safety project utilizing cloud install of QXE software that ensure binary priority, ensuring that code works as instead of embarrassing target of boards. So coming to the next slide, QNX has the following advantages like a real-time, small footprint, high reliability, security, limited apps, cost, as said before. Future works. The QNX Academy for safety and partnership between BlackBerry QNX and Texas investment is online software developer and program aimed to develop QNX security embeddment system. The new online training academy provides embedding software develops with BlackBerry QNX. Texas Instruments TM develops tools. Coming to the last side, these are the references where we bring all together to complete this term project. So thank you for giving this opportunity, Professor. Um, Thank you. Thank you for your cooperation.